Model, 2018 Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI starts runs needs engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 269596. MOT, the 26th of July 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Slight popping from intake, really bad oil leak coming from the back of the engine, burning oil also with blue smoke, suspect burnt out valve, thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, roof rack. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call